several awards this year for the bank at this event, but let's start with the bank. What is new in your area that is worth mentioning? What is Societe Generale doing that is new and exciting?
Well, there's a few things. First of all, transformation continues. It's not something that do stop. We are, of course, embarked, this is Sibos, so we're being embarked into GPI. That's an innovation stage that's coming. It has a lot of banks that joined, and that's very helpful. But it's not the only thing. One other topic that I mentioned, for example, we just made an announcement yesterday. We launched with 8 other banks a platform called WeTrade. That platform is supposed to actually help our customers to export within Europe. It's specifically designed using blockchain for that's what I would call the short haul type of exports. But by combining efforts of 8 banks in Europe, by combining new technology like blockchain, we can open up and help our customers to export in a better way tomorrow.
So an era of big transformation, change, and innovation, more than probably ever in the last few years.
It's continuing and it's evolving, but yeah, you're absolutely right. It is not slowing down. It is not slowing down for the sake of additional regulation, TSP2, for example. It is not slowing down for the sake of offering new products to a customer. It's important to keep that in mind. It's not just a transformation for regulation. It's a transformation for the better of our customer. More transparency, better, more efficient offers, new offering as the one that I just mentioned. And of course, let's not forget about it, the better security that we do offer to our customers. This is key and critical to what we're doing.
Including more and more alliances, consortium, which is actually also new, the idea of cooperate.
It's the way to go to us. There has been the banks on their own, there's been the banks and the fintech. Now what we're seeing is the third phase. The third phase is absolutely either fintechs and banks joining together, and this is critical that fintechs and banks join together. They have new technology, we have customer base, we can bring alliances of the two together. But let's not forget about the third one, which I think is the most critical one. It's the banks themselves offering new products, offering new technology, joining together for the sake of our customers, and our customers will benefit from that move.
And in all this, what is the relevance of Sibos, the meetings, the conferences, the presentation?
The
relevance.
The relevance.
What do you bring home? And in general, what do you think is the atmosphere, the mood?
I think it's a great place. It's not so many places where you will see bankers that are actually in straight competition, also working together. And that's what I was talking about. There is a need for banks to work together. When we are being faced with fintechs and companies investing tens of billions, because that's the sort of numbers we're talking about, well, we need to join efforts. We need to make sure that the teams of banks putting together offer the best to our customers. We don't want to invest as much as money. We don't have the capacity to invest as much as money. But what we have is a very good knowledge of our customer. What we have is a capacity to work together. And if you do join those two together, actually, that would be for the best of our customers.
And lastly, about these awards, Global Finance Awards, what do they mean for the bank?
It's an excellent recognition. Let's face it, the work we've done for the past few years through those awards are very well recognized. So the banks, the people within my team, the people who run our teams, they're very, very proud of having those awards. And don't get me wrong, it's an essential part in that sort of rewards that we're looking for. Do we go in the right directions? You're telling us, yes, we do. And that's very much appreciated.